Hello guys, what's up? In this video we are going to learn that how to install the latest version of Python language on your PC. So without any further delay, let's move on. So first of all, we have to open any browser. Right now I'm using the Chrome browser, so I'm opening this. So you can open any kind of browser which you like to. So you have to type here Python download, right? And after that press enter, and now you can find the first link, the official link of Python, which is www.python.org download. So click on this and it will take you to another page, which is their website. So you can see here it is already visible. So download the latest version for Windows, Python 3.10.6. So they're also giving us options for the different operating systems, like for Windows, for Linux, Mac OS and others. So whatever operating system you are using, you can simply click on that. So right now I'm using Windows, so I'm just simply clicking on that. But before we download this, you can also download the older versions like Python 3.10, 3.9, 3.8. So which version you like to download, you can easily download it from here. So you can see that you can download Python 3.10.6 and 10.5, 9.13. Simply click on download, and then you will be asked that whether you want to download it for Windows or for Mac or for Linux or anything. So now right now we are going to download the latest version. So just click on download Python 3.10.6. So let's start download it. So it will take few seconds to download. Okay, after few seconds our file is downloaded and now it is ready to install. So let's open it. Okay guys, so this is our Python setup file, and it is giving me two options like upgrade now and customize installation. So why upgrade now? Because I have already installed the older version of Python, which is I think 3.10. So that's why they are giving me the option of upgrade now, and I have also an option for customize installation according to my own choice. So it is preferable to go for the automatic installation or recommended installation. But for your information, like what we are going to download in this package, so I'm clicking on the customize installation, and these are the optional features. We are getting documentation, pip and Python IDLE. What is pip? Install pip, which can download and install the other Python packages. And what IDLE will do, it will install Tkinter and IDLE development environment. And it will also give us Python test suite, which install the standard library test suite. That's an amazing feature. And py launcher. Okay, I'm going to check this also because it upgrades the global py launcher from the previous version and all the user. So let's keep it next. And these are the advanced options: associate files with Python and create shortcuts for installed application. And I also want to add this Python to the environment variables, right? So this is the default path for the Python file to be stored. Like this is the default path. You can also browse it or change it to any other, so it's fine to keep it the default path. And now let's click on install. Okay guys, so our setup is successfully installed. So now let's close it. And okay guys, now we are going to open the command prompt and check the version of Python to check that whether we have installed it correctly or not. So command prompt, right? Okay guys, now check the version of Python by typing here Python and hyphen version or dash version. So Python 3.10.6, and we are also writing here pip, so to check whether it is installed completely or not. So you can see that lots of things are installed in pip, so which means that our Python version is working properly. So now we are going to check the Python IDLE. Okay, type here IDLE, and so IDLE shell 3.10.6. So now let's check it's working. Like type here any command, which is very common command, print, and type here hello, right? So it is printing hello, and you can do lots of coding in Python IDLE. So this is how we can install the latest version of Python. Hope you like this video.